Alright, what is going on, guys? CoolPG here, back with yet another video, and today is going to be the weekly test as of July 22nd. So today's setup was requested by RamerSTi. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over the setup. So right here is the Radio Shack 12247B. Right here is the 250, W120, 74200, 521, 1650, EAR10, VP2, HDR14 as always. And over here I got like a new nightstand thing that I should have had in here way before now, but I never thought about it for some reason. Scanner, other scanner, so everything's on one table now, which means the radio that was here before is now right here. And I have this, I moved the CL100 to right here. But yeah, guys, I will join you guys back when the weekly test goes off.
40% chance of showers and thunder.
God, that's loud. I'll just use this to monitor.
Was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC80.
Yeah, boy!
This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warnings as possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal broadcasting. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official Mableton. Lawrenceville. It was mostly sunny, 81 degrees. Wind variable at 3 miles an hour. Cartersville. It was...
Yes! Alrighty, guys, so that was the test. Every radio went off, like usual. Thank God. Thank God that's the usual, because in the olden days, which is way down in my channel, sometimes some of them just didn't go off due to signal issues, so... Yeah, guys, so there's your weekly test. I don't have anything else special for today, like a monthly test or anything. So, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.